Welcome back to Vanillard, and today we're going to do a Photoshop tutorial. This tutorial I actually saw on YouTube. I will be linking the description down below so you can check out the original video. Not sure what the person's name is, but I'll be linking it. Firstly, we're going over with the pen tool. So we're creating a selection of the deer, and I'll explain further as we go on. Now that you've created your selection with the pen tool or the selection tool, you're going to select this selected area and create a clipping mask. And afterwards we're going to go with our poly lasso tool, and then we're going to select the horns, so we can add the horns on a separate layer, so we can add that glow to it. Have your clipping mask icon selected when doing this next step, because you don't want to work on the wrong layer. So please do that. And once you have your horns, put it in a different group it by itself. Next we add the color lookup. It's in the same place you add the clipping mask, and then we're gonna add the black and white filter as well. It's also at the same place. You just look down the list up a bit. After that's done, we're gonna select the horns layer. We're gonna copy it, Control J, and then we're gonna add a effect to it. So go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. We're gonna do this a couple of times. We're gonna select about. We're gonna do three different ones, and so with the Gaussian blur selected at different intensities. This video a like, and also subscribe. Be much appreciated. After you've done the horns, we're gonna add the hue and saturation layer. It's also there by the clipping mask. So just go there and slide the sliders and see what works best for you. Now we're gonna add a curves layer to darken up the background. This is how far I got with the original tutorial. I didn't quite like how mine looked, so I kinda did my own thing. But I didn't record that process because I forgot to press record. But anyway, this was what it's supposed to look like in the first place, but I didn't like it, so kinda did my own thing. And I do encourage you to do your own thing. Just play around in Photoshop. So this is how it turned out with the Photoshop tutorial I watched, but I changed it a bit. I did my own thing and I quite like how mine turned out. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. Thank you.